Our topic for this video tutorial is about HTML tables. Tables are defined with the table tag. A table is divided into rows with the tr tag, and each row is divided into data cells with the td tag. TD stands for table data, and it holds the content of a data cell. A TD tag can contain text, links, images, lists, forms, other tables, and etc. Here's the sample code. Input sample text in between the TD tags. Save it. And view it in the browser. Now, you see the text that we inputted in between the TD tags are now placed in a table form. Well, that's our lesson for this video. Thanks for watching.